In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send dice on Monopoly Go, step by step. Whether you're looking to share a bit of your Monopoly magic with friends or just keen on spreading the joy of the game, this guide is made just for you. So let's dive straight in and explore how you can gift dice to your friends and family. Now, you might have noticed that Monopoly Go doesn't offer a direct send dice button, but don't worry. There is a clever way to send 30 dice to your friends, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open up your Monopoly Go app. You'll see several options on your screen, but what you want to do is find and tap on the Friends button, which is conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Invite button. You'll recognize it by the phone icon with the words 30 dice displayed right above it. That's your key to gifting dice, so go ahead and tap on that Invite button. You'll then see a few options. You can add contacts directly or send invitations to your friends. Simply add your friends using your contact list or by connecting through your social links. The choice is yours, depending on what's most convenient. Here's where things get exciting. When your friend joins Monopoly Go using the invitation you've sent, two great things happen. First, they receive dice to help them kickstart their gaming experience. Second, you'll automatically send 30 dice their way. It's a simple and enjoyable method to not only help your friends get started, but also to share the love of the game, and both of you can delight in these extra rewards. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send dice in Monopoly Go. If you enjoyed this video, or if it helped you in any way, please don't forget to drop a like. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all the latest Monopoly Go tips and tricks. We're always here bringing you more ways to enjoy the game and enhance your gameplay. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!